Now the second statement is called in the second session. So keyword in C programming language. Keyword have the fixed meaning, that means the specific meaning for the cannot be changed in a programming language. Like एक specific meaning रहेंगे आपके एक ऐसे word के जिसके meaning से आप जिस word को आप by directly कोई variable नहीं ले सकते या फिर कोई और specific definition के लिए create नहीं कर सकते. जैसे कि ये meaning हमारे programming language में fixed word के स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक के लिए क्रिएट किए जाएंगे. जैसे कि कीवर्ड इज ना हैव फिक्स्ड मीनिंग एंड मीनिंग कैन नॉट बी चेंज. द एक्ट एज द बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक ऑफ C programming language. There are the 32 keywords in C programming language. Like keywords are written in the lower case always. So that are the table of structure of C programming. Table of keyword structure like automatic keyword, break keyword, case keyword, and also character, constant, double, else, int, long. That are the multiple 32 keyword used in a complete C programming language. Like union keyword, automatic keyword used for the automatic variable, automatic data type, or automatic variable will be assigned to the int value, like something int x is equal to 5. When declare automatic keyword or does not be declared, it will be the automatically by directly int x is equal to 10. So that are the representation of the C programming language 32 keywords. Next one, identifier. Identifier in a C, every programming language can be either keywords or identifier. So identifier is nothing but the name assigned to element in a program. For example, name of variable, name of function variable, functions, that are my identifier. That is in a name of variable or function. So next one, variable. Variable is another concept. Variable is a memory location which stores some data. That means like a in that I am seeing one variable, that is int is data type, x is my variable, is equal to assigning the value of 10. So x value is assigning by the 10. It is my first value. Another one, next b is my another variable, y is my another variable, assigning the 20 value and semicolon. Then C statement having as is equal to x plus y and semicolon. So normally we can be use the print statement for basic addition program. In that we can shown like addition is equal to percentage d. It is my format specifier. So percentage d for integer, and in the double quote also the double quote, and then comma C. In that semicolon we close. So x is my variable, y is my variable, also C is my variable. So normally built and run and can be so. Okay, int data type will be declared here. Built and run. Print f statement. And bracket will be closed here. So that is my add is equal to 30. So normally variable are the identifier which is used to store the some value. So variable having a 4 words like a variable name, variable type, variable size and variable value. So what are the 4 types? In that my x is in a variable, int is my variable type. Then another one, x is my variable name, and then another one, 10 is my value, and then also size is called is now 2 bytes. Size is 2 bytes. That are my 4 specific concept in my variable. So basically variable can be changed during the execution of program and update the value stored inside it. So following are the rules of followed by the creating the variable. Like variable name should be consist of only one character, only characters or digits, and an underscore. A variable name should not be begin with the numbers. वेरिएबल का जो नेम रहेगा हम नंबर से स्टार्ट नहीं कर सकते. वेरिएबल शुड नॉट बी कंसिस्ट ऑफ वाइट स्पेस. वेरिएबल हम जब भी लेंगे या तो अंडरस्कोर के कंबाइन में लेंगे हम वेरिएबल को, नेम स्पेस या फिर वेरिएबल को हम वाइट स्पेस गैप से डिक्लेयर नहीं करते हैं. वेरिएबल नेम शुड नॉट बी कंसिस्ट ऑफ कीवर्ड. जो इसके मीनिंग हमने बाय डिफॉल्ट बोले थे कि ये फिक्स मीनिंग का वर्ड होता है, तो हम उस नेम से भी हम वेरिएबल नेम नहीं ले सकते. लाइक सी इज अ केस सेंसिटिव लैंग्वेज, so means variable name age are different. The age is called is also, small age is also different and capital age also a different variable. In int my variable is equal to 10. So int my var1 is my var1 is a variable name, 10 is my value and int is my data type. Another one, data types. So C provides the various types of make easy to for programmer to select suitable data type as per the requirement. Like you have the multiple data types, like first one is a primitive data type and second one is built-in non-primitive data type. So normally like that are the two types of data types. First one is notepad. First one is my primitive data type and second one is my non-primitive. So primitive having like a int data type with the size of 2 bytes. Same like that, character data type is my second data type. Char is my second data type having a 1 byte of the touch size. Byte having a 8 bits of 1 byte. Third one is a float, that is 4 byte, and last one is my double. It is in a primitive data type, 8 bytes. Okay, so second one is my non-primitive, like a structure, struct union enumerate enum or enum. We can be used any name. Enum is my keyword. Another one, type def. That are the non-primitive data type. So following are the data types like integer, float, double, character and string. String does not support the C programming language. We can use the string data type in a C++, that is the next programming language. It is an object oriented programming language. So first example why that is na int main, we can use the int age is equal to 20, float is my salary 13.48 and character is my letter, that is k. Print value of variable, so that is my statement of printf statement for the output function, and then age is percentage, format is specified for my word data types. That integer data types having the format specify like percentage d comma, also you can use percentage I. Then next one, character is my data type, so format specifier, that is percentage C, and then percentage F for float and percentage F capital that we used for the double data type. That are my format specifier. For that we used the one program for user input using the scanf function. So see in the example of user input, so we can declare the function like int data type a comma b comma c and semicolon. In that printf statement we use the statement enter a is equal to, use the slash n semicolon. Scanf function for my input function, user input function. In that we use the percentage d for integer and comma address variable for the accessing the a value, so address a and semicolon. Same like that, printf in the double quote and enter b is equal to slash n and semicolon, and scanf percentage d comma add of b and semicolon. In that c is equal to a plus b and semicolon. Same like that, printf statement. In that add statement is equal to, output also want to the integer data type, that's why %d comma c and semicolon, and close the statement. That are my basic addition program. So compile it and enter the value of a 10, enter the value of b 20, and then output will be 30. That are my basic C programming language addition program. Same like we can use to the subtraction, multiplication, or also division. We can be use the programming in C. So output like that program is %d for integer, %f for float, %c for character. That are the output of my data types. So that are my second session of the data types and variables. So that's all is